I think that the way in which we store goods at the factory is not altogether satisfactory. Full stop. It seems to me that the fire insurance rates are now quite high, and I feel that, with some changes in the store rooms, reduced rates might be expected. Full stop. New paragraph. I should like you to inspect the rooms as soon as possible, and if, as a result of your inspection, you think that our methods with respect to the storage of goods are unsatisfactory, I wish you would suggest any changes which could be put into effect. Full stop. New paragraph. I wish you would let me have the different insurance policies now in force, together with the details of the scale on which the insurance rates are based, so that I can make an analysis of the annual cost. Full stop.